In today's video, you will learn more about the benefits of tea. Tea is one of the richest foods in polyphenols, natural compounds, that play a key role in disease prevention and optimal functioning of our brains. Low-end teas, which usually contain only old leaves, and not young shoots, are low in protective nutrients. It protects the heart. Drinking tea daily lowers blood pressure from 2 to 3 points, which reduces the risk of myocardial infarction, and stroke by 10 to 15%, according to Australian researchers at the University of Sydney. A study by Thibault also showed that Puerh howling tea pagoda halves cholesterol, and 3 triglycerides in the blood, 2 risk factors for cardiovascular conditions. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. 1. He keeps cancer away. The tea is opposed to the proliferation of cancer cells thanks to its high content of catechins, ultra-powerful polyphenols. Green tea is the most protective. It contains more catechins, 30 to 40% of the dry matter, against only 2% to 10% for black tea, says nutritionist Angélique Colbert. It also appears to limit the growth of blood vessels that supply tumors. That's why aficionados of green tea have a 30% lower risk of cancers of the ovaries, throat, colon, bladder and lungs. On the other hand, its effects against breast cancer remain controversial, according to the National Cancer Center of Tokyo, Japan. 2. He fights colds and flu. Tea flavonoids have antibacterial and antiviral properties that blunt winter infections, rhinopharyngitis, angina. One of its other ingredients, theanine, stimulates our immune defenses, which boosts our ability to control microbes. White tea is the most effective. It even neutralizes salmonella that can contaminate food, meat, eggs, raw milk, cheese. 3. It promotes weight loss. University of California biologists have just proved that decaffeinated green and black teas regulate weight by rebalancing the composition of the intestinal flora. Regular tea drinkers are about 4 kilograms less on the scale than the others, with the same diet and physical activity. 4. It strengthens the strength of the bones. Like fruits and vegetables, tea fights against the acidity of the body, induced by the modern diet, too rich in meat and cereals. The less acidic the organism, the less the bone capital is threatened. The tea also contains phytoestrogens, substances that mimic the action of female hormones, and slow down the frequent demineralization of bone during menopause. Gathering tea, especially green or semi-fermented oolong, reduces the risk of hip or femur fracture due to osteoporosis by 27%. 5. It reduces stress. Although it contains a little caffeine, 40 mg per cup on average, compared to 115 mg for a filter coffee, the tea soothes the nervous tension, because it delivers L-theanine, an amino acid which induces the production of relaxing alpha waves in the brain. The younger the leaves, the more they are concentrated in theanine. For a return to inner calm, plunge your tea for a minute in hot water, then discard this first water before infusing it again. Thank you for spending some time with us Natural Cures. Give us your opinion on this video. If you liked the video, share it with your friends. For more information, subscribe to the channel.